Good evening from Edinburgh. I'm about to check in Waldorf Astoria Hotel, five-star hotel here in Edinburgh, Princess Street. I'm really looking forward to this stay. It's night, so I will show you outside tomorrow morning. Let's check in. Concierge desk and reception. Oh, we got some chocolate. Nice touch. Complimentary water here. And the view. It's dark already, but I will show you morning view. TV. And a cabinet. Mini bar. Empty. Some chocolate. Got wine glasses. Yeah, pretty nice room. Not too big, but yeah. In dine and room dining. Coffee machine and two different coffee pots. Good. And a bathroom with bathtub. And here we have some special amenities. Oh yeah, nice. It's small, but it will do. Yeah, you can see it's really small. Check the chandelier. It's massive. I actually really like the decor of this hotel. I think I see better rooms, but decoration here in corridor is really nice. This is really nice. So this is Peacock Alley. It's usually for afternoon tea, and during the evening they change it to like nice relaxing bar. They have one more main bar, but this is more quiet Check this wall. Oh, it's really nice. So this is the main bar. This fancy menu is inspired by travel around the globe. Yeah. So you can choose drinks from Amsterdam, Paris, or Dubai. Yeah, so lots of different cities. Edinburgh, of course. My fancy Berlin cocktail. And Rod, he has a beer. Pretty simple. Let's try. Wow, that's pretty good. Yeah, really nice. It's not that strong. It's really nice. Yeah, approved. We are having a dinner in a Gazing restaurant. They have either a la carte menu or 5-course tasting menu. We got complimentary prosecco, glass of prosecco. Cheers! I must say this is not typical fancy restaurant what you used to have in 5 stars hotel, and it's actually really nice. You don't need to have a dress code or something, and even if you are from outside and you don't stay in a hotel, you can come here and enjoy some nice food. Both of us order steak. Rad already finished his steak.
It's delicious.
But it's too much for me. It's delicious. It's really, really so good. The portion is huge. It's massive, really. We are having after dinner drinks. I have just basic rum and coke, but Rad, he got a special drinks, and I think you can see that they have ice cube with a name.
Of the bar.
Name of the bar, yeah. Cali Bar. Oh, it's so cute. Good morning. I am heading to the spa before the breakfast. Already in spa. We have steam, sauna. Another sauna over there. Going to the pool area. It's early morning, nobody is here. Unfortunately, Whirlpool is not working. It's under maintenance. It's a shame. Nice pool, really good size. So as I promised, I'm here outside today. It's really nice. Let me go a little bit further. Hello again, and I already checked out from Waldorf Hotel. I must say it was really pleasant stay. Minor errors, I did not really like the room. If I compare that with Balmoral, where I stayed last year, you can check actually video. So it was much better room-wise and Balmoral, but otherwise really good stay. Yeah, pleasant stuff. They were like in bar, restaurant, everywhere. They were so nice and polite. So I can 100% recommend this hotel. I paid £266 per night for 2 people with breakfast. So I think it's reasonable priced for 5-star hotel here in city center of Edinburgh. That's it from today, and see you soon with another video.